Dear viewers, please remember to subscribe after watching the video. Thank you. Remedy for severe cough. Severe cough. Ingredients: bitter kola, orógbó, Garcinia kola, honey. Preparation: get about 10 pieces of bitter kola, grind them to powder, add half cup of original honey. Usage: take 2 spoons twice daily for 4 days. The cough will clear off. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And also, to get notified whenever we post new video, please click the notification button beside the subscription button. Thank you. Have a nice day.